Guys, that's a turtle. Can you pull over anywhere? There's no car coming. Guys, there's a turtle.
We'll be alright. Woo! Go, Dad!
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So we're now in Bungalow. Yeah. Heading somewhere right now.
Byron Bay, which is just up the road.
Yeah, Byron Bay. Riddim, mate.
Riddim, mate.
Good day, mate.
G'day. Welcome to the land down under.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Far out.
Jesus.
You know the vibes. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe.
It's Afrik I vibes.
Ooh.
Afrik I vibes every day.
Say we on a roll now. Let's go now.
Did you see that fat dog?
Yes.
Juice. Island. Bowling club.
The Bolo. Bungalow.
The Bolo. Polo.
Gnarly, mate.
Gnarly.
Yeah. Australia for ya.
So guys, tell us what you want us to, what would you like to see from us other than just adventure vlogs, like add in the mix, like camping. You want to see camping, because that's coming up shortly.
I like how the trees just come over. It's just nice.
Something stuck in the bamboos.
Yeah, we have some bamboo tree here, guys. Didn't even know that Australia has bamboo, but now, if you didn't know, now you know. How many of you guys watch that show?
Windy road.
So we have some ocean view coming up here, guys.
Gonna take a
Epic. Wow, is there anywhere we can stand and look that look like a nice big view to look down there? It's like a city, right?
Yeah. Yeah, Byron Bay. Yeah. Small city. It's Byron Bay. Everybody comes to Byron Bay, guys. Byron Bay is a city of tourists.
Yeah. I just saw that sign, Koala Zone.
Koala.
So we're in Koala Zone. Right, mate.
So every year they have a festival called the Blues Fest.
Yeah.
And the Whalers was here one year. They were supposed to come this year as well, the Whalers. I know that Chronics was out this way as well, did a performance out this way.
Yeah.
So there is like a reggae place like they do, and they do like dub reggae and stuff as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Byron Bay is very, very popular for that kind of scene.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not too sure about the dance hall yet, but what I've been told and what I've seen on social media is that they have like just a reggae dub and stuff there at the moment here in Byron Bay.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's nice to know, guys.
You might be able to get some gigs out here, babe.
Yeah, that would be really amazing. So yeah, guys, what I'm trying to do right now is plan to get some studio equipment and start my own little home studio.
Yeah, that'd be great.
So that's what I'm about to, try to rock up right now. So yeah, guys, because we're still seeking to find a studio, but so far it sounds very expensive, so but yeah, if not, either way, even if I find a studio, I'm still aiming to have my own little home studio so I can learn to record myself, so that's the plan, yeah. It's good when you can do something for yourself, and what I would do is just record myself and then pay for mixing and mastering, you know. Yeah, I don't have to spend money on studio time, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
I think that's the best thing for him, guys. What do you all think in the comment section?
Yeah.
You know, it is a lot cheaper to buy his own home studio.
Yeah, all I have to do is just study it, you know, study how to do it. Yeah, that's what's up. Byron Bay. St. Finbarr's Catholic Church.
They do surfing here, surfing lessons, I think, as well, babe. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, so that's another thing, guys. I want to go learn to surf, and I know what you guys gonna say. Oh, be careful of the sharks out here. I know. Yeah, but I don't know. I feel like when it comes to water sport, I really love it. You know, so yeah. I know it's dangerous and it's risky, but I just want to try it out. You know. Yeah.
Mama.
So this is like the town center, I'm guessing.
This is the town center, yeah.
Nice little place, man.
Hopefully they have somewhere we can just get something, a bite to eat.
Yeah.
This is the town center.
Yeah.
Well, the shops are open, but it's very quiet. Oh, yeah. Mama.
Byron Bay Town Center.
Papa.
Yeah. That's going towards the beach, right?
Yep.
Looks full.
Yep. Oh, we can try a kebab. Let's get a kebab. Kebabs.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna park there. Parking meters there too. Yeah, this bar here is always busy, full of music.
Okay, yeah, see they have a band here.
Beach hotel, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, fish. We can get fish and chips. Yeah, let's get fish and chips.
Quite the amount of people out here too.
Yes, of course. And there's a little. We'll go down this way. Park down this way.
Pandemic intensive care.
Paramedic.
Oh Jesus. I swear I think I saw a pandemic. It's paramedic. Guys, I think I need glasses. Oh yeah. Yeah. There's island straight ahead out there. Jesus.
And this water is quite nice.
Yeah. Oh, it looks clear. Yeah, first time seeing it this clear since I've been here.
Yep.
Hey guys, so babe gonna get a parking ticket, you know, so yeah, the beach looks really nice, guys, as far as I can see. All the way down there, it's beautiful, guys. Yeah. And the water look clear, you know. I love that. Hey, it's beautiful out here. What do you think, Bobo? You love it, Bobo? Yeah. Nice waves, huh? Yeah, man. People swimming and surfing, and there's a guy down there fishing. It's nice. I love it. Little birds. Alright. So we're here now. What we gonna get, babe?
Just gonna go for a walk and then maybe get something to eat.
Alright.
Yeah, something different that you've never tried before.
Yeah. Yeah.
Besides fish and chips.
Yeah. Alright, so that's what's up, you know? Yeah, it's full of people. Heaps of people here, guys. COVID ain't stopping no one from living their life, you know? Yeah, people out here. So, just walking along the street here. There's scallyrags. Yeah. And the bar over there playing some music, you know? Margarita Mexican Cantina. Cantina. Yeah. Whew. Okay. Have some of Babe's hot sunnies here. Yeah. Nice. It's beautiful. Huh. Straight there. Ooh. Kebabs?
Yeah, you want to try?
What's kebabs?
It's a kebab wrap-up roll with like meat and like salads on it, innit?
Okay, sounds interesting.
Try?
Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, they have some fresh veggies and stuff here.
Chili and tomato and barbecue.
Yeah.
And then the other one, just tomato and barbecue, thank you. This is a pretty cool area.
Yeah, it's nice.
Noise.
Now we have some fries here, and this now becoming like my favorite drink in Australia, ginger beer. I love it more than the one in Jamaica for some reason because it has this smoother taste, that kind of ash taste, you know. It's not that strong. It's very smooth and mild, you know. I love it. A little bubble we have here, having his fries and things.
And now Babe's gonna try his kebab, guys. Here he goes, guys.
So what's in this?
Meat, lettuce, tomato, onion, but you don't like onion, so we took that out, and sauce.
This tastes like pork. Is it pork?
No, lamb, beef.
Really? It's nice.
You like it? Oh my god, guys.
Tastes really good. Now it's starting to taste like pork. I mean goat meat. It's starting to taste like goat meat now.
Oh yeah.
I'm tasting different kind of flavor to it now.
Really, it's got different spices to it.
Yeah. Yeah guys, I love this. I love it. It's definitely a vibe. Yep. How's yours? It's really nice. It's a turkey. Origins of the kebab. Turkey. Yeah. You can see them food and them thing, you know. It's a vibe. So just finished now, guys. Yeah. Was really good. I'm not gonna lie, the lamb meat tastes so much like goat meat.
Really?
Yeah. Tell me if you guys ever had lamb meat before. Let me know. Does it taste like goat? It resemble goat meat? Let me know.
Hey guys, so I'm so full right now. I don't even have the energy to talk because I'm just that full. Plus it's a bit windy out here today, so I'm holding my dress up, down so that it doesn't get up.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyways. Babe, do you want to go toilet?
Nah, let's hit the road.
Are you full?
No, I'm full.
Really?
Yep.
Are you ready for bed?
No, I'm not ready for bed.
You just need to sit down. Are you belly sore?
No, I'm good.
Oh, okay, well, he wants to go.
Yeah, guys.
Do you want to touch the water?
Yeah, I'll do that. Yeah. What you want? Oh, I didn't realize that the beach gone all the way around there. It's like my eyes were just went right here.
You can actually go up to the lighthouse. Thumbnail Island, say hi to the camera. Hi. Hi to the camera, Island. Hi. Hey, boo-boo. Hi, boo-boo. Love the beach.
Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. So guys, I'm gonna test the temperature, you know. Yeah. Wanna feel the first time when I arrived here, I tested the water and it was really cold. So I wanna feel if it's the same kind of temperature right now. Well, I bet it is. Well, let's see. Woo. I put my legs in. Hey baby. Woo. Oh my god. Ah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad, guys. Yeah. Feels much better. It's much better. Woo! Look at those waves. The water here is clear, guys. It's clear right here. Yeah. That's nice. There's a guy there fishing as well. Woo! So we're leaving here now, guys.
Yeah, guys, it's been a vibe. It's 3 p.m. already.
Home is evening. People hanging out here, taking sun. Live band playing. It's beautiful. Yeah, it's gnarly. Beautiful, guys. So this is Byron Bay, guys. If you ever want to visit, or you just want to see some place, yeah, I know that some of you guys probably watching the vlogs to see where you guys would probably have an idea of where you want to go, so these vlogs would help.
Yep, everyone that likes to have a drinky can go there.
Yeah.
And so these places get so full of people, especially when it's a blues fest or a particular concert happening with like whalers and all the big artists, you know, that come out and do this particular festival. People go crazy. So check it out, guys. Byron Bay Blues Fest or Summer Fest.
Yeah, man. It's nice. I'm impressed. I'm excited. I just love it. Every day I discover something new, and also Babe discover things too. So it's really nice. It's amazing.
We can always plan to come out and stay here on like a weekend.
Yeah.
You know?
True. Bay Beach Motel. Bobo.
I remember growing up, people used to say, "Oh, Byron Bay, you know Byron Bay."
So you say it's very touristic.
Very touristic.
Okay.
Yeah. All different nationalities here you'll find.
Yeah. Cool. Have some nice hot sun stuff there, woman wear.
Beautiful stores here as well.
Yeah.
Because of the pandemic, I don't know what it's like here with COVID at the moment.
Yeah.
I see it's like it's open.
Yeah.
I see that it's open.
If you guys made it this far, make sure to thumbs up this video, alright? Yeah, man. Babe, gonna close out the vlog here?
Yeah, for sure, guys. Remember to like, subscribe. Subscribe.
Yeah, you're correct.
Share the video with your family and friends.
Yeah, man.
Thank you guys for everyone that watches the ads. You know, every little bit helps us, I guess. You know, to be able to give you guys more content.
Yeah, it fuels these travels. So. And
it fuels these travels for real. So thank you guys, and we really much appreciate your love and support.
We do. Yeah, man. Genuinely grateful, you know?
Yep.
Yeah, man. So if you're new, welcome. For all the old subbies, thanks for being here. Thanks for being here, new subby as well. You see me, so. Catch you in the next vlog, guys. Yeah, man. Blessings. We on the roll now.
Let's go, let's go.
But right now we're closing out.
Because I'm so full.
Bye, guys. So this is Lennox Head.
Lennox Head. But I want to take you to Lake Ainsworth. We can always come again and swim there when it's a little bit warmer.
Yeah. So guys, we did say we're done vlogging, but yeah, if you want, watch same way. We're just showing scenery and new places, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. The ocean there. Lennox Head. Nice houses.
Usually a lot of them are rent for like tourists when they come and they rent them out and stuff.
And these would be very expensive to live on the seafront.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
To live out here, yeah.
To have money.
I think anywhere in the world, if you live near the ocean or the water,
Yeah.
it's always going to be a dearer thing.
True, true. Out here in the country, guys, it's really nice. I love it. I'm amazed.
So you used to be able to drive down there and park your car. Now you can't.
Okay.
But this is Lake Ainsworth. This is like a tea tree place. Water.
Okay.
People come here to cleanse their skin.
Mm.
So if you have like a skin, you know, like eczema or like dandruff in your hair or whatever, this lake here usually cleans it up or clears it up, I should say. Yeah. So a lot of people come here and they swim.
So this is a lake right here?
Yeah, Lake Ainsworth.
And the ocean is just right behind.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, they've changed it up. You used to be able to park.
People camping here.
Yeah, people camping, enjoying themselves. Australia is always full of campers.
Yeah, that's a big camping tent. That's like a family one over there.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, so that's Lake Ainsworth.
Beautiful,
And
man.
we'll come and swim there. I want to buy floaties and stuff. You can just float.
Yeah. I love it. I love it. Yeah, you can tell Australia, the people here, they're about adventure. That's what I can see. Like people love to go camping, they love to go to the river, to the ocean, they just love to get outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell.
For real.
Yeah.
And then like when you come, there's like information about the lake.
Okay.
About the lake, why you swim in it, that. So
Yeah.
whatever I said, we'll say on the sign.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
They turned that into a park now. It used to be a park down there.
Okay. Beautiful, guys. Hope you guys are loving it too.
Thumbs up.
Yep. Guys.
Probably drunk over there. They got nice ice cream here. Really nice ice cream. Down there. Gelato.
Boat and a boat. And the horses on the hill.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah. Guys, look at those horses over there. Yeah, Jano, you know, say you have to have some money for one of them things there. Yeah, but look at the view, guys. This is like a lookout, you know, and it's sick. Yeah, and people just walk these trails. Like, I just love these little things. Like, it's simple, but it's amazing. I love it.
The elderly couple.
Yeah, elderly couples. That's beautiful. Yeah, the view of the ocean right here. Epic view, yo. Epic view.
Houses are bad.
Yeah, the house them over here so sick. Yeah, it's a nice beach one.
I've never been to this beach before.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can come and swim one day.
Yeah. Nice. amazing, man. I'm loving Australia, man. This is gnarly, man.
No, no.
Oh, smile.
Smile. No, no. Yeah, man, this is the one.